Do you want to know the number one secret to my personal success as an affiliate marketer? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of PLR Monster. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear footwear pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Well, okay, I happen to like the hat, okay? And if you don't like it, that's too bad. I like it, and I'm going to keep wearing it. And you can just do whatever you want. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do this? You're thinking, might ask, well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, well, seriously, you know what? You can say that you like crap all you like. I don't. These people don't. Okay, most normal people don't like crap. So you can keep your crap all to yourself. Okay, seriously. Anyway, but if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip and hand to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Edmond. Now, you see, Liz is a New Yorker. I used to be a New Yorker until recently. You can see I bought a house. We're here in Pennsylvania, in a small town in Pennsylvania, and I absolutely am in love with our house. It's a beautiful place. Very happy to be here. Happy that we bought the place, but yeah, she's a New Yorker, so I guess I can forgive her for constantly saying the same thing every week, right? And yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Monster PLR package. Now, this is from my friend Dave Nicholson. Dave is one of the biggest names in the industry. He knows his stuff, and he puts together high quality products. Okay, he doesn't put together junk. I'm going to show you the members here in just a minute. And by the way, I bought this thing myself. Not only did I buy it, I paid more than you're going to pay for it. Okay, seriously, I'm kind of pissed off because I had to spend a lot more for it than you're going to pay for it. Plus, when you buy from me, you're going to get the most ridiculous phones I've ever offered to anybody. Okay, so check this out. This is the kind of money that's being made from PLR content. Okay, you can see the kind of money that can be made and the kind of money that it costs to have these things made. Okay, everything is done for you with the PLR Monster. You get all these products included for free with PLR Monster. They're fully done for you. You can go ahead and fix them up and do whatever you like, okay, in order to fix these things up and make them exactly what you want it to be. You can rename it, sell it as your own, use it as a bonus, whatever you like. Now, I buy these things all the time because I use them as bonuses all the time. I love PLR, especially good quality PLR. Junk PLR, forget it. I will not buy junk PLR. And a lot of times you can get them for free. The stuff you get for free usually is crap that you do not want. Okay, it's stuff that is junk. All right, you want high quality PLR only. If you get high quality stuff, that's what you want to get. And what Dave is offering you is some of the best stuff you're ever going to see. I'll show you the members in just a minute, but I want to show you something here real quick. You see that it just goes on and on with the list of items that you're getting. But check this out. The price right now is $47. It looks like there is a coupon code. I don't know if it's still going to be available. By the time you see this video, it says here 45 minutes. I don't know if that's actually true. Sometimes they put these things up and then they put an evergreen timer. I haven't tested it to know for sure. So it's possibly you might get a couple bucks off. But let me show you something real quick before I show you the members area. Look at this. I paid $79 for the same thing last year. Okay, seriously, I paid more money, almost twice as much as you're going to be paying, $47 as opposed to $79. And it was a bargain to me at $79. All right, you're going to get for half the price, $47. Plus, there may be a discount code. They'll probably, if even this one is no good, there'll probably be another one down here when you actually go to look at the sales page. All right, so let me show you the members area real quick here, just so you can see this. Okay, you have PLR Monster. You have all this content that's included here. And you can see there's 10 different packages and they're complete packages, okay? You're not talking about cheap junk where it's gonna come with like just a report. You're talking about complete packages. But let me tell you about my custom bonus because my custom bonus is insane. So pick this up from me. And in addition to getting all 10 of these products, okay, there's actually 99 PLR products included in these 10 downloads. I'm going to give you another 240 on top of that. So I give you 240 more PLR products that you can sell, give away, use as bonuses. Plus, you're getting the 99, and you're paying about a little more than half of what I paid. I paid $79, and I was thrilled. To me, I was like, yeah, great. You know, let me do it. I'm happy to pay that money. You're going to get for $47. Okay. So plus you're going to get 240 bonus items on top of that. My phone is beeping because of an excitement. But anyway, but seriously, let's see if I'm going to give it to
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Master Product Creator or not. Oh yeah, that was kind of obvious, wasn't it? You seriously demand. Okay. Look, this thing is awesome. I absolutely love this. Grab this one. You're going to love it.